Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals, and I am on a kick. Now, the kick that I'm on now is making the reversible earrings. I'm making them in studs this time. So I've got this black and silver material and this brown and bronze that I'm going to attach to some wood and cut it out on my Glowforge. My wood is 1/4 inch birch plywood, and I'm going to use white glue to attach this fabric to each side of my wood. This is the file that I created, and I'm sending it to my Glowforge to cut. I'm gonna glue my studs on. I'm gonna rough up both of the edges, both of my surfaces, so hopefully my glue will hold. I didn't record when I was putting the resin on, so this is another pair of earrings that I'm applying the UV resin. For safety precautions, I recommend that you use gloves and a mask. Don't do like I do. I'm using a lighter to go over the resin to try to get the bubbles out. I told you I was on this kick doing these double-sided earrings. So here are some of the other ones that I did. These are in acrylic, and the acrylic bonds to itself, so I don't even have to use glue on the acrylic, which is so awesome. So if you have a laser, know that you can put two pieces of of acrylic together and cut them, and they will fuse together. Hi, this is Sherry, and I wanted to demonstrate my earrings, my reversible earrings. These are the studs that I made. You see, I have them on the black and silver side, and in order to reverse them to the other side, which is brown, all you do is remove the earring and switch it over to the other side. So I'm going to move this earring to over here. And this one, to here. And so now they're on the brown side. Can you tell that that's brown on the brown side and on the brown side? So it makes them reversible. All right, I just wanted to demonstrate that because I may not have, and I'll show you the way that you have to, when you're making them, the way you have to face them to make sure that you're putting your stud on the right part of the earring. You have to have the ear, the stud part facing each other, and then they'll be on the right side for you to, for them to sit right and be reversible. I hope that makes sense. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. I really appreciate all of the subscribers, and I appreciate the thumbs up and the comments. It really, really blesses me. All right, good people, you know the drill. Please like, share, comment, leave me a thumbs up. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.